By this time last year, I was still struggling with bloated stomach anytime my menses wants to come. Like, I'm talking big tummy, I'm talking gassy tummy, I'm talking uncomfortability, I'm talking me not being able to eat anything because my stomach is so big. I started making this tea. This tea, I made it with hibiscus flower, the back of pineapple. You don't see, you guys are missing on this back of pineapple. Don't play. I use star anise. I use Bagaruwa. That thing is called Bagaruwa. I don't know the English name. I use some cloves, and I also use some flaxseed. Flaxseed is very, very good for you. See, everything I'm using in this tea is very good. They help balance your hormones and they alleviate cramps. They also helps with bloating. I use some oranges in my tea, and I went ahead to add some fennel seed. Fennel seed is very good. You guys, don't sleep on all these herbs. They are very good. It helps regulate your period. It helps boost your immune system. And you see all of these things I use in this my tea. They are very good for hormonal imbalance. Like if you're having PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, try and be incorporating all of these herbs in your daily diet. I didn't have the stick cinnamon, so I had to use this one, and I don't think there's any difference because this one is what I've been using for a very long time. I use it in my meals, in my smoothie, in my meals. Like, have you had cinnamon rice before? Yes, I use it in my meals. Prepare this tea whenever your menses is coming or whenever your menses has come. Just put everything together. It doesn't have to be very, very sweet. I sweetened mine with pineapple, cucumber. I added flaxseed to the blender because I had to blend everything. I blended all those things you just saw on that place. I blended everything. I added flaxseed. I added mint leaf to that blending. I added a little bit of fennel seed. Trust me, to be extra because I wanted everything out. I wanted everything crushed. So I added some of the whole seed and I blended some just to get all the benefits that I want. So if you're suffering from bloated stomach whenever your menses is coming, hormonal imbalance, and PCOS, you're always feeling somehow. See, this drink, if I tell you what this drink has done for me, you'll not even believe it. Like, what I used to know that my menses is coming is I'll start getting very, very bloated and I'll be so uncomfortable. Yes, my breast used to be tender, but then this one used to be too much. Like, I mean, too much. But after I started using this, my period has become so normal and I smell so nice down there after my menses. Like, even during my menses, I smell so nice because why not? All of these things put together and I will not smell nice. Don't play. And it helps balances your hormone system, helps reduce estrogen in your body so that your hormones will be balanced. And if you're always having recurring infection, try and make this your go-to drink. Leave all those infection drinks you've been taking. Try this one and see the changes in your body. Okay, do you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comments. Follow me for more videos like this.